literally still companies. Nobody like fucking like protested the companies themselves, just the image they used, and so like they got rid of the legacy of these people being remembered.
Shut up, man.
No one last year fucking lit. My fucking zipper ain't rattling, bitch. Sigma. That's right. Shut the fuck up. Fucking sit here trying to play a fucking game and fucking ask for years fucking shit.
All I'm hearing is an asshole fucking spewing crap. That's what I'm hearing. It sounds just like fucking diarrhea.
Whoever you are, we gotta
Yo,
go.
Sonny, what's up, bro?
Good, bro.
I damn nearly set one off.
Did you hear me rage baiting them?
Yeah, bro, they were pissed, bro.
For hella pissed, bro. Wait, he's right here. He's opening that door. Dip, dip, dip.
I wonder why he didn't open it. Maybe he's above us. I don't know. There's no one over here. I'll open it real quick and oh yeah, he's right outside. I think he's setting a
right out of it. Yeah.
A bomb. Yeah.
Two on top of us.
Yeah, I'll go up first.
Oh fuck!
Never mind. Never mind.
Oh no!
What a bad smoke placement.
Go back to order.
I think he said a gore bomb there.
Yeah. I put a trap.
Yo, this guy sucks, bro.
Think I hit it?
No, you're good.
W trap.
Okay.
Alright, we're clear. Over to my left, actually. Yeah. Go this way, though.
I'll keep an eye out for you.
Much quiet.
Let's go.
Into it. Damn. Did they hear that?
Oh, that blood looks
Yo, I hear Sissy. Oh. Oh, she doesn't even know where we are.
Are you sure about that?
Oh fuck, run my boy.
Your fear. It's so.
Oh! Damn it.
Oh shit.
I see what you're doing, my boy. Fuck her up.
Yo, come on, bro. We'll help your brother out, man.
Bro, I don't got a knife.
I'm jumping down the well. There's two of them. Just jump down the well.
Wait, that's the well?
Yeah, that's the well.
Might be a shortcut.
Yeah, I have no clue where this leads.
Main building. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh
Don't
shit.
go up.
Yo, who's up there? Who's up there?
Yo, what is his name? Hey, Tracker?
Oh, he's up there? Is he coming down?
Yeah, I don't know, maybe.
Nah, he's not coming down. Did he see you?
Yeah, he hit me off. Fuck.
Wait, I'll go up there. I'll see if he's still there.
Really I lost him.
I'll let you know. Yeah, it's clear up here.
Coming up. Bye.
I got this.
Yeah, I might have to stab him if they keep leveling him up. I have no clue how to escape on this map, by the way.
Keep moving, bro. It's like my worst map.
Oh shit.
Hello?
Yo, you.
Wait,
he didn't see you. Come back, come back, come back. Crouch, crouch, crouch. You over there?
Hit him with a bone. This old freak is rolling home.
Just go away. Damn. I'm ready. No.
Oh my god.
He's just standing there, menacingly.
I think he sees me.
You got a better chance of
Yeah, he
seeing
sees
the
me.
sunrise.
For sure.
Yeah,
He's just playing
yeah.
it off. Yeah.
Come on out now.
I don't know if this thing is unlocked up here, by the way. We might be going into a dead end.
Oh, we're at the same spot. It's okay. Down here. What the fuck is over here? Nothing?
It's the same spot where we fought Sissy or whatever.
Come on.
I have to well again, armed. I have to well.
Yeah, go for it.
Dying like.
It's like a maze in here.
Running in circles. Bro, just go back out.
Let me know if you hear anything. I'm right behind you. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
I'm strong. Come on, Wyatt.
Oh,
The
Connie's
road's
in
gonna be
here.
close. We can make it. Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna go stab him. I'm a man with a mission. Yeah, no, it brings him down like 2 levels because I have a code. Yeah, see, I'll go stab him. It's cool if I
5 minutes later.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
Damn loud.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.
Stay still.
Yo! I love how my ability doesn't work, bro. It's crazy.
Fucking say you're trying to play a fucking game, fucking ask for years, fucking shit.
I think he starts with like 30, I don't know. I'm probably wrong though.
Oh my god! Like 45, I think.
I don't think he's that strong. I think he could max out to 45.
That's bad, that's bad.
Oh, is that you that opened that door?
I think that was the bones.
It was a victim.
It was?
This one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a victim down here, I bet. Wait, what? I could have sworn this door opened. That's weird.
I think the bones
Time to
opened and closed it.
No, he was on the whole other side. That's weird.
Oh, someone came up, the garage door.
Oh, the garage door?
Oh, that might yeah. Someone came up, but they're probably hiding. Yeah, they're probably. I think the probably getting
Oh no.
Wait, track their footprints.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any. Oh, Sunny. Oh, Watts right here.
I like it when they run.
Funny. Oh, someone's trying to kick off Jen.
Are you sure about that?
I killed Watt. Good night, buddy.
Oh, the Connie on Jen or garage.
Yo, why did they stab Grandpa, bro? He's level 0. They're just trying to be toxic.
I got one hit on it.
Who stabbed Grandpa? Oh, Sloan. Oh my god, this kid.
The Sunny.
Yo, I am lagging so bad.
I actually might kill the Sunny.
Go ahead and hide. It ain't gonna matter.
We got him cornered, right?
Pointless, you know.
Yeah.
Hold. Feels good.
I killed him. Well, he
Nice,
bled
bro.
out. Yo! Bro just lit.
He stole your kill?
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay,
we're doing
they
good though.
probably
We're
they
doing
kicked
good.
off Jen, I think. Oh yeah, on the Connie kicking on Jen, off Jen.
Oh.
Got something
Oh,
Yeah, I think she's gonna wow.
Yeah, I thought she
she's
was too. Oh,
gonna
she's
wow.
healing.
Gotta heal. Oh no.
I'm over here.
Oh no. It's alright.
I just didn't want her to escape because she could have got out of there immediately.
Okay, I think that's everyone, yeah. GG's.
Yo, GG, bro.
Yo, Connie, I'll mark that for you.
I don't think she's getting up after that, bro. Bro, you got your suit all dirty, bro.
Dang it! That's probably why your shirt was on.
Does your mom know that you're playing with a offender right now?
This motherfucker! Double Romans! Woo!
Jack as fuck!